Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to do a factory reset on Android phone. Here are some steps to perform a factory reset on an Android phone. First things first is to back up your data. Before resetting, go to Settings, Google, All Services, Backup, and make sure your data is backed up to your Google account. Then hit Backup Now. Next is to open Settings. Tap the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll and tap System. Navigate to System or General Management depending on your phone model. Next, tap Reset or Reset Options. In the System menu, select Reset or Reset Phone. Select Factory Data Reset. Choose Factory Data Reset to see what will be erased, such as apps, photos, accounts, etc. Review and confirm. If you don't see Factory Reset data, just tap Reset Phone or Erase all data. Enter PIN or password. If prompted, enter your lock screen PIN, pattern, or password to continue. Tap Erase Everything. Finally, confirm by tapping Erase Everything or Erase all data. Your phone will restart and begin the reset process. After reset, your phone will be like new, all data will be erased, so be sure to back up everything important before starting. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.